Over 800 million pounds of cheese is made every year here in New York State. So this story on social media may have caught your eye. 2 deaths tied to eating cheese that's made in upstate New York. But do you need to check your refrigerator before you reach for your next snack? Here it is in the New York Times. 2 people die after eating raw milk cheese made in New York State. According to the article, the deaths occurred in Vermont and Connecticut. 4 others in New York and Florida were hospitalized after eating Ouleout, an artisan cheese made by Vulto Creamery in Walton, just east of Binghamton. The Times article says the illnesses happened between September 1st of last year to January 22nd of this year. Let's go to the company's website, which states Vulto Creamery makes a variety of handmade cheeses using raw milk of the highest quality. It doesn't take long to know this claim is true. There it is on the front page. Vulto is recalling all of its cheeses due to possible listeria contamination. The company goes on to state the production and distribution of all cheese products has been suspended while the FDA and the company continue to investigate the source of the problem. If you have one of these cheeses, don't eat it. Return it to the store where you bought it. In the meantime, this article is 100% news. So go to my Facebook page or the WHEC TV Facebook page and share it to help spread the word.